Never use hot water or cold water to wash your face. To protect your face from skin damage, always go for lukewarm water. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Tanya Khanna and today I am going to share some techniques of face wash, how to use it and right face wash according to oily and dry skin. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to be a part of my YouTube family. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Everyone wants flawless, smooth and beautiful skin. But sometimes we unintentionally make some mistakes that lead to bad effects on skin. Like if you are washing your face to remove your makeup, it's better to clean your makeup with cotton first using any makeup remover of your choice, and then you can use face wash. If you use it directly on your face, the makeup will get into your pores and close it. That can lead to acne or pimples. Always wash your hands first. Washing your face with dirty hands can increase the chances of acne, pimples or other skin damages. Never wash your face with soap. Always use a good face wash. If you are out of face wash, then you can use gram flour, that is besan, to wash your face. Home remedies are always a better option as they are free from harmful chemicals. Don't wash your face too much. It can decrease the glow of your face and make it more dry. Only wash your face 2 times a day, one in morning and one at night. Or if you are sweating too much, you can wash it 3 times, not more than it. 3 times is more than enough. If you don't wash it 2 times a day, it can lead to breakouts due to oil, dirt and makeup clogging pores. Your pores will appear larger, your skin will look dull and textured instead of having radiant, youthful glow. In fact, your skincare products works best on clean face. Yes, oils can be used to clean your face. Everything from olive oil, coconut oil, almond oil. If there is a oil in the name, it can be used to clean your face. Coconut oil has received the most buzz, which claims that it reduces wrinkles, fine lines, moisturizes the skin, fixes acne and will cleanse your face. If you are looking for a foaming face wash just because you think that if it doesn't foam, it will not cleanse your face, but foaming actually strips off the natural oils of your face, making it more dry and dull. It is good to use face wash brush or loofah to cleanse your face, but don't go crazy to use these tools, as the amount of bacteria that build up on loofah or face wash brush is a sign that these cannot be a great idea to wash your face unless you are cleaning them properly. Simply use your hands as a cleaning tool. After washing your face, you can feel something tight and stretchy on your face. This is actually excess dryness. So make sure you're helping your skin to stay moisturized. Applying moisturizer protects your skin from getting dry. If your skin continuously feels dry, you can change your face wash or cleansers. Go for mild or oil-based products. Look for a facial cleanser that has matte finish that can help you to keep your oily face from looking over shiny throughout the day. You might find that one cleanser alone isn't quite enough to completely cleanse your oily face, so consider double cleansing. It doesn't mean that you need to have 2 facial cleansers. Use micellar water to remove dirt, oil and makeup from the surface of your skin, following it up with a face wash to remove remaining impurities. As you are habitual to cleanse your face multiple times a day, but you should always wash your face twice in a day or maximum thrice in case you are sweating heavily. That's because over cleansing your face can result in increase in oil production that can lead to acne or pimples and can leave your complexion looking even greasier. Cleansing and moisturizing go hand in hand. If you are done cleansing, you cannot skip out on moisturizing, and don't think that you don't need to moisturize as you have oily skin. Go for a moisturizer that is specially formulated for oily skin and has matte finish. Use a mattify mask few times a week to help keep on that shine on your face. Besan mask, multani mitti mask, oil-free milk and lemon mask, orange peel mask and papaya mask are one of the best DIY masks for oily skin. Even in summers, cleansing your dry skin can be a real struggle. Luckily, there are lots of things that you can do to restore your hydration, like investing in a good moisturizer, cut back on hot showers, avoid using products that has alcohol in it. But still, if you're using wrong face wash, you can make your skin drier than ever. The tricky part is finding a cleanser that is gentle and hydrating and also that removes makeup and dirt effectively. You can see that this simple change can reduce the dryness on your skin immediately. Since many people use harsh dry cleanser without realizing the effect they had on their skin, if your skin feels uncomfortably tight or itchy after cleansing, then your cleanser might be stripping your skin, leaving it dried out. Cleansing your face with oil is one of the popular methods. This can be an affordable and natural method to take care of your dry skin. Simply choose any oil that is fragrance free and is organic. You can also blend your own combination of oils. Oils such as almond oil, argan oil, avocado oil or coconut oil are some of the great choices. Massage the oil onto your skin until it gets broken down all of your makeup. Then cleanse it with a lukewarm water and wipe. This will leave your skin soft, supple and moisturized. This is one of the things that I do to clean my makeup. Toners actually helps in restoring the pH balance of your skin, reducing the dryness. Look for a toner that has zero alcohol in it. Simply apply the cleanser on your face with a cotton ball after cleansing but before moisturizing. Makeup removing wipes can be life-saving when you simply can't go out to wash your face. It's not a good idea to rely solely on wipes because they don't do the exact job of cleansing your face like cleansers do. Also, when you have dry skin, you need to be picky when it comes to choose your products. Anything with alcohol can be drying and it is best to avoid fragrance as it can get irritated. Go for wipes that has extra hydration boost. If your skin is so dry, it becomes flaky. It might be tempting to scrub it with exfoliator or a rough washcloth, but you will end up doing more harm to your face. Follow a gentle, simple and quick routine. Wet your face with a warm water and lightly massage the hydrating cleanser. Then rinse your face and pat dry your face with a clean and soft towel. Never rub your face harshly. And right after cleansing, be sure to use a good moisturizer to lock in hydration. And then your skin will feel good and look good in no time. And that's it for today. Don't forget to tell me in the comments what kind of skin you have and what products you use to pamper your skin. Or if you want to hang out more with me, watch my other videos. Link is here on the screen and also in the description box. Take care, stay blessed, be happy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.